All right, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to open linked views and compare different different images, different composite images from the Landsat satellite image that we have loaded earlier. Remember that we have our save view, and I said that it allows us to open these data sets much faster. So what we're going to be doing is to hit this button here and in the data manager panel and click open. Here we have our save view, so we're going to hit open and load our last view where we were working on in the last video. This doesn't take much of our time, so it's going to load them exactly the way we saved them and left them the last time. The data is loading, and we're going to have it up in a moment. Voila, here we go. So what we're going to be doing is to create different band composites and compare them in the viewer. So if you go to the layer stack that was loaded previously and right click on it, you will see all these menu that you're going to be using. But now we are going to use this and create some different composites. And if we right click here, you will see it says load true color. Remember, our true color are the visible portion of the spectrum where we have bands 2, 3, and 4, the blue band, the green band, and the red band. So the true color composite actually is the band combination by assigning red band 4 to the red band, band 3 to the green band, band 2 to the blue band. So we can now hit the load true color, and here we are. This is, let's check this off so that we'll be just left with this. So this is the true color, and let's zoom it to full extent so that we'll see it. This is the true color. So if we want to apply a linear 2% stretch to that, watch how it changes. So this is the true color composite. And now we can decide also to make this thing to be open. This is our data manager. Let it come here. We can right click here also and say we want to see the color infrared composite, and if we load that, it appears here. This is the color infrared bands. So it has this, the green band, the red band, and the near infrared band. So we have the NIR as the red band. We assign the red band to the green color and the green band to the blue color. This is what is known as the color infrared color composite. So here we go. Remember, if we take a look at this place, that we have green as our band 3 here, and we have the near infrared as the band 5, and then we have this red here as the band 4. So essentially we are having 5, 4, 3 band composite. So this is how you load them automatically. This is just the two options that are available, but then we can just have two linked displays and display them so that we can view a portion of them at the same time and see their differences. This is done by going to here and click on views and create two vertical views. Although you can just create a lot of views, you can create horizontal views when one view will be stacked upon the other. You can create 2x2 views where you have four of these scenes showing at the same time, or 3x3, which shows about 9 scenes at the same time, and all that. So what we're going to be using for now is the two vertical views. So when we click on that, it brings up the other view here. So what we're going to be doing is to make sure, let's put this down a little bit, and then now we have this color infrared band composite here, and we have this true color. So what we're going to do, we just click and hold on to this and drop it inside this view. Okay, that creates the color infrared for this. And then what we're going to do is to check this off and allow this to come in. So when we zoom to full extent, and okay, sorry, I missed something. We are going to click the link views so that they will be showing the same area or the same spot at the same time. So when we want to do this, we can actually come here, click on this as the first view, and click on this as the second view, and we hit OK. Now this will make it to show the same scene or the same area at the same time. So once we click on this, we have the full extent. Let's take this to this place, or wherever you want this to happen, you can just go there and click. So wherever it's showing in this view 1 will be also shown in view 2. So that is how it works. So you can zoom out, or you can zoom in, and see things for yourself. So we can use this hand button to pan these images. Okay, we have this hand, you can bring it here, click and hold and drag it to this side. So you can actually say a lot about this particular imagery here. So you can compare and contrast whatever we have in our view here, and that is how it is done, linking two views together so that you can link them and look at them at the same time. So that will be that for linking views and actually viewing the same place at the same time. And that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching.